Good morning, guys. Welcome to a new vlog. So today it is Sunday. I don't know why I'm starting this vlog on a Sunday, but happy Sunday. So yeah, today I am going to fetch my online order from Mr. Price. So I thought, let me just take you guys with me, basically. So yeah, let's go get our order. I look super cute, by the way. Like, I look super cute. I look super cute, so asambling.
Still a fan, even though it's softly. Hate to see you with some other boy, know you happy. Hate to see you happy if I'm not the one driving. I'm so mature, it got me a therapist to tell me there's other men I know. One night, I just want you. If I can't have you, no one should have mine. I might get worse, not the best idea.
Hi guys, so I just came back and this is our package. Period. I like ordering online on Mr. Price at Mr. Price. I like ordering online at Mr. Price because I feel like there's a lot of choices or items to choose from rather than where store, because at store you're just gonna find izinto nje. For an example, here in Hammersdale there is no makeup, so I can simply just order makeup from the website and they can bring it to Hammersdale basically. But this is not makeup, so let's unbox it. No, the last time I got like an online package was last year during my graduation. I ordered shoes at Mr. Price as well. So the Mr. Price website is my friend. Okay, so I got this romper thing. I don't think it's gonna fit. I don't think it's gonna fit. I'm obsessed with rompers, guys. There's this other one that I got. It doesn't fit me. But this one is a bit stretchy, so I think it's gonna fit actually, yes. It's just gonna be short, but it is on name. I have to try it on. I have to try it on and see if it's on name by him. But it's the material corner is ripped. Not sure if you can see, guys. It's ripped. It's just like those Mr. Price bodycon dresses that everyone has. I also have it. It's this thing, the one that collates amaqat or doris, guys. So this is the material, but it's really nice to see if you're in. And then I got these shoes. Oh my gosh, I didn't think they were gonna be this. Is this a size 6? Looks like a size 9. But I don't have shoes for work, so everyone has these shoes. So I got these shoes from Mr. Price. I'm not sure if you can see them. Most people buy them at, what's this store on Jam? Refinery, yeah. So most people have these shoes and I've been wanting them. It's just that they are kind of expensive at Refinery. I got these for 180 at Mr. Price. At Refinery they're like 350 or something. So yeah, they have a platform thing going on. If you personally know me, like if you know me face to face, you know that's a platform. My shoes, there's these shoes that I got from, let me show you. There's these shoes that I got from Ackermans a few months ago. So internet parts like the other flip-flops, they're also platform. I got those from Selfast. So internet like this. I love it. Love it. I love these shoes. Thing is, I didn't buy a pair of socks, and I need a pair of socks because I'm guys. Right now, there's secret socks. There's one secret socks. There are 2 long, different color socks. But I'm in love with her. I almost bought white, but like thing is with white, it gets dirty very like fast. Bye guys, I'll see you during the week. I'll try and vlog work for you guys, but then thing is I don't want to make anyone feel uncomfortable. That's the thing at work, so I can't vlog like that at work, but I'm gonna try and vlog for you guys, yeah? But for now, bye. I will see you when I see you. Hi guys, so I just came from work. Today is the 14th, so it's Valentine's Day. Happy Valentine's Day. At work they gave us some goodies. I'm so excited because I don't have Valentine's this year, unfortunately. So I got a rose and then we got this. It's so cute. It's so cute. I'm in love. I'm obsessed. I'm in love. It's super cute, guys. By the way, you're giving right now. It takes in, so I need to move fast so that things will catch it. It takes. Yeah, right. But anyways, yeah, man. Let me show you work. That's where I work. Okay. So get into it. Good morning guys. So today it is Friday. I know I haven't seen you in a while, but okay, today it is Friday. I'm on my way to work. What's this? Okay, it's fine. Today it is Friday. I'm on my way to work, and yeah, so I'm really excited because I'm going to Jesus that Durban. I'm super excited. I'm going there. I've been wanting to go. It's just that they haven't came to Durban yet. They had not come to Durban yet, but they announced like I think Wednesday or Tuesday that they're coming to Durban, and then Wednesday the tickets thingy started selling, and then I bought a ticket. So I'm going. The tickets were actually free, so I just downloaded the tickets basically. So I'm going alone because my friends say decided tickets download until my tickets were sold out. So I'm going on my own, but I'm super excited. Obviously I'm going to be taking you guys with me. I'm super excited because I've been working on my relationship with God. I've been praying more. I've been reading my Bible more. I joined groups that are like women in Christ groups, those kind of things, a woman in the word. Yeah, so I'm super excited for Jesus this, Jesus that, Durban. Super excited. I'm taking you guys with me. Let me go to work before I lose my job. Okay, bye. I get the sense that you might really love her. Just text gonna be evidence. Just text is evidence. I try to ration, but you know murder's a crime of passion. But damn, you was out of reach. You was at the farmer's market with your perfect peach. Now I'm in the basement, patting on my patient. Now you laying face down, got me singing over every. I'm so much your I'm so much different. I'm so much your got me in there. Just tell me there's other than I do. One day I just want you. If I can't have you, no one will.
There is nothing we can do today that is going to tickle your fantasy. All that we have to offer is this name that is above every other name. And at the mention of this name, every knee will bow. That's what we came all the way to say. And for many of you in this audience, you've heard this before. Many of you in this audience, you probably live it every day. What we came to say